one.
Doors are closing. And you're going to hear this travel announcement in first one. And you're going to see how much that was.
Please do not lean against the train doors. Next station, Tanjong Rhu. This train service will end at Tanjong Rhu.
Lucky that you guys have. Oh, I see Founders Memorial. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Look into your left side because the PSDs are on the left. Founders Memorial. Good. Take a photo of the inside. Go. Tanjong Rhu already. Travel time is about 3 minutes between all.
Tanjong Rhu.
Oh.
This train service ends here. Thank you for traveling with SMRT.
Oh, so it's that platform. Oh, Tanjong. No, this is not stack platform, side platform.